Welcome to Linuxil. Today we are see about how to install MyBB CMS on Linux Mint 20. MyBB is an open source and multi-lingual extensible blogging engine. It stores all of its content on text files. It also contains features like support of various plugins, widget support, customizable themes. This tutorial covers the installation of MyBB CMS on Linux Mint 20. First I am going to check the version of Linux Mint. My Linux Mint version is 20. I have already installed LAMP service. Before I am moving to download the MyBB CMS package. Now I am install the PHP and its modules. It will take some time. The installation is completed. Now I am download the MyBB CMS package by using wget command. The package is download. Now select the package. Now move the upload directory to Apache root directory. Now give the ownership and permission of MyBB directory. Now give the permissions. Now configure the virtual host for access the MyBB CMS. Here I have to enter some lines to mybb.conf file. Quit and save the file. Now create a database for MyBB CMS. The database is created. Now disable the default site access. Now enable the site access for MyBB CMS. Now enable the rewrite module. Now restart the Apache service. Now switch to your browser and enter your host name. Enter your host name. This is the installation page of MyBB CMS. Click next. Click next. The database configuration is completed. This is the admin page of MyBB CMS. Here enter the admin credentials. The MyBB CMS is installed. Now go to admin control panel. Enter the admin credentials. This is the dashboard of MyBB CMS. This is the method how to install MyBB CMS on Linux Mint 20. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.